Just a real short video. I wanted to show you this truck, so here it is. Well, we're here at the lemon lot again. Got the girls with us right now looking at stuff. But this caught our eye. You ever see one like that? And it's a Dully Jeep. He built it himself. And he pulls a fifth wheel with this. I mean, look at it. 8 lug. The Rubicon. Oh my gosh. That's one of them wow moments. And he's built, I guess he builds them. Got a camera up front so I can see where he's going. Wow. Dang, that's nice. Well, I just wanted to throw this on here for you guys, show you what we're looking at today.